for the cat. So we're gonna put it down on the ground here, and when it's time to go vet, let's go. Vet, get in there. We're gonna go vet. He goes in there perfectly. We seal it up, and we're ready to go. It's time to go to doctors. Are you comfortable in this thing here? Look at this. This guy's, oh, he's very comfortable. Very super comfortable. No, let's close it up. All right. So check this out, guys. We're gonna talk about it a little bit more. Perfect bag if you're gonna take your cat to the vet. If you're gonna take him to the vet, if you're gonna take him anywhere, it has plenty of bags, plenty of pockets on the side here, and there's plenty of openings. If you guys can see, you can see the cat in here. He's up here. All right. Here's the bag, and then we're gonna open it up for Panchito to get out. So if you're gonna take this bag to the vet, this is a perfect bag for anybody that's carrying their cat or their puppies. It's perfect. So let's go ahead and open the top. You could get out now. Nope, he doesn't want to get out. He loves it so much. So you like your little spot here? Good kitty cat, good kitty cat. So if he likes it, any cat or dog would like it too. All right, so here's a beautiful see-through bag. If you guys can see through, you could go through the whole bag on this one. This one has perfect nylon. It has a actual Velcro removable plate here in the center, and it has a furry top for any cat or dog. This is perfect for puppies or cat. So you can put your name tag here if you're going to take them to a vet, because a lot of these bags get lost. You can put a picture or something that who it belongs to, and it's perfect. Right now we're just going to open it up. Here in the top, it has one opening on top, one in the back, and one in the front too. So you got two openings, and then you have this mesh opening here that you could put medications and anything else to the cat.